Hello and welcome to your Wednesday afternoon Whiteout Weather Briefing. I'm Dave Weather, meteorologist Mark Huer. We'll be looking at scattered snow squalls still across sections of the state into early this evening, black ice concerns, and some blowing snow concerns as well tonight. We'll see some areas of strong winds again on Thursday, with also some snow late in the day. Let's first here talk about snow squalls for a moment. Here's Halleck Ridge webcam from earlier this afternoon. We can see a vehicle right here, or almost see a vehicle right there. Snow squall moving through, reduced visibility, road surfaces becoming slick and slushy very quickly, but only a few miles to the east in the County Road 402 area. Still dry conditions and favorable road and travel conditions. However, we can see that snow squall off to the west. A few minutes later, then County Road 402. This time the camera looking east, so it's not covered with snow. And we have the snow squall producing that reduced visibility, near whiteout conditions possible at times from some moderate to heavy snow that'll always accompany a snow squall warning. Also, roads quickly becoming slick and icy, snow covered in areas, and reduced visibility from strong winds is also likely with that blowing snow. And here's a tractor trailer we can see on this picture. A few minutes later, snow cleared out and road conditions begin to improve. We'll still be looking at the threat of snow squalls across areas of the state through this afternoon, early this evening. That's for this entire red hashed area here. Snow squall threat. They'll be scattered, so not everybody will see them, but they'll be out and about on I-80 and also on I-25 into the evening hours. Otherwise, the yellow shaded area here still going to be looking at some strong northwest winds through this evening and tonight, a 15 to 30, some gusts of 30 to 40, and we'll be looking at overall a trace to mainly an inch across areas, seeing some light snow and snow showers and those snow squalls. Black ice and blowing snow threat, though, throughout this hashed area, and especially the yellow area, as we get into this evening and tonight. Elsewhere across the state, while there's been some pretty good snow across the western third to half of Wyoming, also up in the Bighorns and on sections of I-90, over the course of tonight, just light snow and snow shower activity. Could see another trace to a half an inch in the plains, 1 to 2 inches in the higher elevations, including all of our mountain passes, and there will be a black ice threat nearly statewide overnight tonight. For your Thursday, well, we've got a lot going on. Let's start with the daytime impacts, and that'll be from some strong and gusty winds for this yellow shaded area across the eastern half of the state, then also stretching out towards Rock Springs and South Pass. Winds not out of hand, but northwest winds 15 to 25, gusts to 45 will be widespread through this area. Wind-prone areas of I-80 and also I-25 during the day tomorrow. We'll be looking at some gusts around that 50-mile-per-hour range. Areas of some blowing snow, especially Laramie West, in the morning hours will be a threat, but that could linger into the afternoon. And we'll be looking at a black ice threat in the morning. As we get into the afternoon and evening hours, it will be the Bighorns in northeastern Wyoming that'll start to pick up some light snow and snow shower activity. Trace to an inch across the plains, 2 to 5 inches in the Bighorns, and also 1 to 3 inches in the Black Hills, including the I-80 or I-90 segment, from about Sundance into South Dakota. Out across western Wyoming. During the afternoon and evening hours, some light snow and snow shower activity. Just not much going on, though, in the morning. Here in the northwestern section of the state, a little bit of heavier snow late in the day and overnight. 2 to 5 inches for our mountain passes, 1 to 2 to maybe 3 inches across the valleys. Elsewhere, for the light blue shaded area, only a trace to 1 inch for the plains and valleys, 1 to 2 inches for the higher elevations, including higher elevations of I-80 from Green River westward and also on South Pass. Otherwise, non-shaded areas, a cold, breezy, mostly dry day, and it will be cold statewide tomorrow. Temperatures just 20s and 30s for highs. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.